Yo. Today, we're doing something insane. I told Nano Banana Pro, make me the scariest horror movie poster you can, and bro, this tool didn't just follow directions, it went full evil art director mode. I'm talking midnight Netflix drop vibes, glitches creeping in, fog rolling like it's alive, and my reactions? Priceless. You're not ready for what's coming. Let's dive in. So first, we needed a foundation, a starting terror vibe. Check this out. Prompt, 8K horror movie poster, the Sora Spectre. Ghostly digital figure, glitched textures, abandoned city, cracked typography, dramatic teal-orange lighting, ultra cinematic shadows. Bro, look at those shadows. Oh man, that fog is already creeping into my soul. This is just stage one, and I'm already questioning reality. Time to evolve it. Let's add grunge, paranormal vibes, and pure nightmare energy. Prompt, 8K horror poster, the Sora Spectre. Bold, cracked typography headline, grunge textures on city walls, neon gore lighting highlights, paranormal smoke swirling through abandoned streets, ultra dramatic fog layers, cinematic depth, eerie color grading. Yes, look at that fog. Look at that neon glow. I can literally feel this poster haunting my room. Bro, it's alive. Now we bring the horrors to life. Glowing eyes, digital ghosts, ruined city streets. This is where it gets cursed. Prompt, 8K horror poster, the Sora Spectre. Glowing eyes on spectral figures, ruined streets with neon cracks, glitchy paranormal elements, cursed statues, low-key horror lighting, subtle motion blur on shadows, dramatic cinematic composition. Bro, why do these eyes feel like they're watching me? And these streets, man, if I walked there at night, I'd run screaming. Final level, cinematic polish. Grain, corrupted video effects, hyper-realistic shadowing, ultra-detailed, ruined city environment, dramatic cinematic lighting, cursed digital reflections, high contrast depth, epic poster composition. Oh my God! Look at that depth. Nano just made a poster I'd pay to see on the big screen. Too real. Bro, why does this feel alive? And there you have it, fam. If you loved watching Nano go full evil art director, imagine what a full AI trailer would look like. Should I make that next? Comment below which poster concept you want me to animate first. Don't forget to smash that like button if you're as freaked out and hyped as I am. Subscribe for more AI madness and hit the bell so you never miss a nano-powered nightmare. Woo! Until next time, stay spooky, stay creative, and keep letting AI blow your mind.